New Year. Hi, welcome back to Africa. So today I'm basically going to show you, demonstrate using my head, my hair on how to do a tapered cut. I'm going to make it very simple, very easy. Actually, I remember someone wanting to know some more information on how to do a tapered cut. This was a comment on the community page. So I promised I would answer that in the future. Though I sent, I think, some links on some videos that I did on tapered cut, but she wanted to know doing it yourself, and I don't think if I have a clear video on that. So I think I promised how to do it in the future, and I think this video would help anyone who would want to know how to do a tapered cut themselves in their comfort zone at home. This video will not only help you do your own, be able to do your own tapered cuts on your natural hair. It's also an opportunity to be able to do it on your loved ones at home. It could be your husband, children, auntie, daughter, son, you just want to save some bit of money. Personally, I love doing my hair because most cases I don't get what I want exactly. So usually when I do it myself, and because I know exactly what I want, I get that complete satisfaction because I've done it exactly. Of course, in the start you may make some mistakes here and there, but at least with practice you definitely won't get it. So let's get straight into the video. Cleanse my hair yesterday. This is a leave-in conditioner. Basically, to make it more manageable, you want to minimize using a lot. Using a lot of conditioner may affect the cutting, may not be as smooth. So I'm going to start with my guard down as a scoop and come out like this. When you place your comb like this, where it starts bending, that's where I'll come out from with my guard, from where the parietal ridge starts and goes up to the occipital bone, where the nape is. So that's how I'll be scooping, You want to start with a slightly larger guard to determine the length that you want. From there, you can always adjust to a different guard to get the length you want. Otherwise, starting from a smaller guard, you may be disappointed. A length that you may not be able to adjust. This is 3/8 guard that I think I might be comfortable with. So what I'm going to do 3/8 open. I'll just use one guard. So I'm starting from the sides of the head, beginning at the bottom of my sideburns. I'm moving upwards against the grain of the hair. As I approach the area where the hair transitions to a longer length, I gently scoop the clippers away from the scalp in a curved C motion. Now, this is very important. Ensure that your guard is properly attached to the clippers. Otherwise, it may jump off. Immediately you start scooping, and you know what replaces it? Your clippers. That is going to scoop a lot of hair, basically in your scalp. Then, of course, at the nape area, I start at the base of the neck, moving upwards. So you also want to have a mirror to see that what you're doing is good, use what you want, and the length that you want. You basically have to mirrors to help you see the back. So the next step is I'm going to remove my guard and then adjust this a little bit. Getting rid of the loose hairs sticking beyond the hairline. So I usually want my hairline beneath, yes, without making the edges look so harsh or overly sharp. I think a soft edge creates a natural and smooth transition between the haircut and the skin, as we shall see ahead. I'm going to go with, again, the guard that I used, 3/8, but this time it's going to be closed. So I want to concentrate on the side, this area. So now I want to soften the edge. We don't want a hard line, we just want to brush, soften the edge, because this creates a natural soft finish to the neck, so it looks more natural. Because between skin and where hair begins, it usually starts soft. Now that is possible with these small short movements with a guard, like you can see I'm doing flicking or scoping motion, but short. Well, the goal is to keep the hairline tidy, clean, yes, but slightly blended. Okay, so that's it for that area, and now I want to comb throughout. So after combing like this, I want it to settle so that it gives me a more accurate level to start from. So I'm going to take care of the parietal ridge. And for the top, I don't think I'll touch it because that's the length I think I'm going for. clippers close, so we're going to use freehand clipper cutting at the parietal ridge and also where the crown starts from to blend it with the top, and also where we tapered. Well, the parietal ridge is the curved area on the sides of the head where the hair begins transitioning from the sides to the top. So this area needs a smooth blend to ensure a seamless look between the tapered sides and the fuller top. It's an area where the sides of the head curve toward the top, so it requires precision and technique to create a clean, balanced look. Take your time. Afro hair is dense, so you want to take your time doing this so that you don't get any holes, or I would say harsh parts. Blending is the key to a great tapered cut. Alright, so for the top one, I'm satisfied with this length. I'm basically going to trim the split end as I curl my hair. The styling gum or the gel will help to stretch the hair at a length that can help me see the split ends and just get rid of them, and that's basically it. I think this is now the best place to take care of the top part and a little bit lower, simply because it really depends on how you're going to style your hair. There are certain situations where you just do the style and then do the last touches, take care of certain things that you wouldn't have taken care of really well. Yeah, so this is how I've chosen to style my hair. So the rest of the areas I'm going to take care of them at this stage. So this is a wash and go. So this is the finished look, and wow, I'm impressed. Let me know in the comments what you think about this hairstyle, what I should have done better, what you think. Well, I hope this video will be able to help you do basic tapered cuts with just one cut. Otherwise, if you want a more detailed, professional-like tapered cut with more cuts, please check the link in the description box. Have you wondered if a wash and go or wash and go curls are possible on relaxed hair? What about longevity and maintenance? Please stay tuned for our next video where I shall be featuring wash and go curls on tapered relaxed hair. Thanks for watching. Bye.